Hi, this is shopforleatherman.co.uk. Been selling Leatherman online in the UK since 1999. A Leatherman UK authorised dealer. This is just a quick video to add to the previous Leatherman Juice XE6 video that we just put online. We forgot a couple of blades. We talked about all of the outer blades and the pliers. We forgot to mention the inner screwdriver blades and the inner crosshead driver. The Leatherman Juice is a very popular range for people who don't want to have a product on their belt pouch and just want a folding pocket knife in their pocket. And you can see here we've got pretty much everything we'd ever need. Pliers, wire cutters, 1, 2, 3 flathead blades, bottle opener, can opener, wine bottle opener, double-sided flat file, serrated knife blade, great for cutting rope, scissors, wood saw, fine edge knife blade, all for putting holes in wood, leather, canvas, etc., and a crosshead pliers. This is a Leatherman Juice XE6, which is a pocket tool as opposed to a multi-tool that's normally worn in a belt pouch. If you are considering buying a Leatherman in the UK, please visit us, shopforleatherman.co.uk, authorised Leatherman dealer since 1999. Thank you.